morning, guys. It is January 8th, 2024. So there I got a call from, I was over there a couple of months ago and I worked on this water heater. I cleaned the generator and it seemed to work for a couple of months and the thing's out again. So I'm going to go over there and replace the generator this time. I told the guy it's not worth putting a new gas valve in that thing. So if it's a gas valve, it's going to need a new water heater. It's an older water heater. So let's see if the generator will work. It's not that far from my shop, so I'm going to try that. I got a new generator pilot assembly type of thing that goes in there. I got a couple of them in the truck for the Bradford whites. We're going to try that out. It could be the computer board in that gas valve that's bad too. Be able to tell once we change the generator if it's still an issue. It would be the board. Thing's barely flashing. Let's try a different generator in there. She's not working. Could be the board that's bad too. Another assembly here. Got this part here. Gas valve, so it's different than a regular gas valve. I don't have a propane one. I don't know if they're different. Try the generator first. It's just the generator that's an issue now. This is probably a left-hand thread, most likely. It's a propane. Try changing that generator. Listen to that. Let's load up. Should be the same thing. That might be different because it's a I'm gonna just change this because this is natural gas, I think. This is different. Just change the generator. Change the generator and try that out. Let's see what happens. propane. The other one might be natural gas. I'm not sure. Be careful. Start changing parts around. Get the right part for the job, right? Let's try that. Try that out. There's a little saddle that's gonna fit inside. There's a little saddle. Some of the stuff is back left-hand thread because it's propane. You can't mix the valves. See if that don't work, then it's the gas valve is bad. Ain't gonna be worth fucking around with it. It's a propane unit. If this don't work, we're gonna change the water heater. Fucking around with it. Let's see if it works. It goes there. And the white. Red and the clicker. And we'll see if we get it to light. Lit up that. If it lights. She lit up. That's a generator. It's a power pile generator. We'll try that out. That don't work. We gotta go with another gas. Gonna have to go with another water heater. Alright, it's been a couple of months. I replaced the generator. We'll see if that works. I don't know if there's a date on this tank. Definitely a propane valve. I need to get the model and serial on it right there.